Hi friends, this is Barbara and we are back with another meal. Today is going to be easy bacon Alfredo. And we're going to start with 1 pound of bacon. I know a lot of people cook their bacon in the oven. I am not one of those people. What we're asking is for the bacon to be crisp. So that'll be 1 pound of crisp bacon. And we got the other half right here. So today the sun is shining in Iowa, at least northeast Iowa. And I believe our weather is almost 50 degrees. Not spring, but still starting to, the beginning of it. Okay, we're going to fry this up until it's crispy. Okay, so the bacon is done. And what you're going to do is that right there. Just going to crumble the bacon. Okay, going to crumble all of it. I like it when bacon's like it. That's how I like to eat it. Do you like your bacon crispy or do you like it soft? Put it in the comments below. I love to read all your comments. Okay, well, I'm not going to do all this on camera. I mean, you get the idea. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slice some onions, which I have done. And we are going to throw in like a tablespoon and a half of margarine. And then we are going to saute these onions. I'm not onions. I'm so used to cooking onions. Mushrooms. They are mushrooms. Okay. Sorry for all that noise. All right, so that butter is going to melt. We are going to saute these mushrooms. And let me tell you, I try to cook with real vegetables as much as possible, rather than can. Then I would like to use frozen. So it's real vegetables, then frozen vegetables, then if I have to, can. You can use canned mushrooms because that's what the recipe calls for. But gosh, you know, I got mushrooms. Why not just saute some real mushrooms? See, that's how I look at it. But if you do the can, hey, it's going to be a lot faster and you ain't even got to slice them. Okay, so what we want to do is just saute this. And this is almost an 8-ounce, almost. Okay, I put a couple mushrooms back. I put like maybe 5 mushrooms back for a salad. Because like I said, I like mushrooms. Okay. Okay, friends, here are mushrooms that are sauteed. We'll put those aside like we did our bacon. I am now boiling a pot of water so we can put our bowtie pasta in there. Okay, so I'll be right back in a few seconds. I'm waiting for the water to boil so we can cook this pasta. Okay, water is at a pretty good boil. You want to salt your water and throw in your bowtie pasta. Give that a little stir until it's done. Okay, so I got my noodles set aside. We're going to use a 16-ounce Alfredo sauce. Sorry, I gotta switch those burners. got all that Alfredo sauce out. I swear that took a while. Okay, let's dump in our mushrooms. They're also... Oh, I hope I make it to the stove. There's our bacon. And stir that. All right. Where did my peas go? Peas. Okay. That is about a cup of peas. And let's like bring that to a boil. You know, a simmer, I should say. And then after that, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to it. I've got 2 different Parm cheese because that's just what I had. We got the sprinkle kind, and then I got the real kind. There we go. Starting to come to a little bubbly bubble here. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead. That looks like a cup. I'm just gonna sprinkle mostly all of that, and I'm gonna save a tiny bit because I like to sprinkle some parm on my salad. I like the real parm, but I think I'm gonna wait until this is all mixed together, and then I'm gonna top it with the real parm. Not that this is fake, but you know what I mean. I think you know what I might mean. Okay. I think this is going to be a good one. All right. And then I am over here getting these noodles. So my noodles started sticking together really quick. So I had just rinsed them because the noodles were sticking together pretty quick. So there's 2 ways you could do this. You can just do the one pot deal, okay? And serve out of the pot. Or you can put it in a baking dish and just, you know, bake it just until it gets like maybe the top of the cheese melts or long enough for it all to get hot. Because right now this is getting hot. I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I'm going to use my jar. I could sure use that Alfredo sauce. Okay. Getting a little bit more water. That's like a half a cup of water. so much better. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. You know, the last thing you want is a dry casserole. Or a dry dinner. Yuck. Okay, so there. That is doing that. What we can do... Okay, so now the stuff I keep calling the real stuff. Just sprinkle that on top. You want to make sure you try to get all the edges. And then for the final touch, realized for the final touch, Italian seasoning over the top, just to look pretty. Okay, we want this to look pretty, apparently. Amazing. Shut that off. We're going to grab a little scoop of it. Just going to do a little scoop because I'm really not ready for dinner yet. And look at there. The mushrooms, the cheese, the peas. Bon appetit. That bacon tastes really good with the Alfredo sauce. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So, friends, I have my thing shut off. I'm going to put a lid on it. If you like the video, go ahead, please. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But always, keep on cooking, friends, and I love you all.